Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's tap on Advanced and right under it we will have the screen timeout, so let's enter. And here we've got some options from which we can choose. So as you can see, after scrolling to the top, we've got 15 and 30 seconds option to choose. And I would say it is quite short option. And we've got also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. So currently I've got the 30 minutes option applied. This option is marked, as you can see. So basically all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So I will pick 5 minutes, for example. And as you can see, we do not have to enter this option because it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.